bleep about? Look at the bones!
Go on, boss, chop its head off.
Right, silly little bleeder. One rabbit stew coming right up. Look! Jesus Christ! I warned you.
I've done it again.
I warned you, but did you listen to me? Oh, no, you knew it all, didn't you? Oh, it's just a harmless little bunny, isn't it?
Abby Hatcher has fallen into the laser bird.
Shelter.
Abby Hatcher has fallen into the laser bird.
Nevada. Shelter.
Abby Hatcher has fallen into the laser bird.
Hey, Grandma!
Della. Nevada. Shelter.
Abby Hatcher has fallen into the laser bird.